And weather-wise, I hope you enjoyed your Saturday. It was a bit of a breezy one and extra warm for this time of year. I'm sure you noticed that. In fact, it's still warm even at the dinner hour. Beautiful day from Vero Beach. Beautiful sunshine with some clouds too, but we stayed mainly dry today, and tomorrow just a slight chance of a few showers. So certainly getting dark fast now that we are at Eastern Standard Time. Hope you're adjusting to the darkness at night. I know it takes me a few weeks to kind of get back to normal. Mainly dry across the region, but we are tracking a few showers pushing eastward at about 10 to 15 that will be moving across Hutchinson Island, generally between Stewart, Palm City, and the St. Lucie region, staying south of Fort Pierce. So through the next few hours and even overnight, we could see a few stray coastal showers moving in on the easterly breeze, but mainly dry. Want to show you this photo from Juno Beach today. Tom Byrne had the same idea as Ed Mullen. They headed out to the Juno Beach Art Fair and took some photos there. Beautiful. Tom Poitevin from Boynton Beach. Beautiful photo there. And Deborah Harsh, this is near the House of Refuge. So thank you for sending in those weather spotter photos. Current temps around the region, upper 70s to low 80s across the coastal areas, and just a touch cooler inland. Belglade now sitting at 75 degrees and 77 degrees in Okeechobee. So wind gusts will be picking up a little bit as we head into Monday. Tomorrow they come down just a little bit. Monday morning not too bad, but they will be picking up in time, and so will our seas, our surf, increasing as we head into this work week. So tomorrow a small craft advisory in place. We do have rip currents likely, so good day to stay out of the ocean waters and just stay on the sand. So I want to take you now to the tropics, and we are looking at Tropical Storm Rafael. Now, Rafael currently moving to the northwest, and it is bringing some rains to the north Gulf Coast states. Louisiana, they could see between 3 and 6 inches of rain, giving the potential for some flash flooding as well as large swells generated. But other than that, that will be the impacts of Rafael, and then Rafael is going to take a dip to the south. Now, it's this disturbance that's going to be moving westward, and it is going to increase our moisture a little bit and keeping a tight pressure gradient, giving us gusty winds and dangerous surf. So we're keeping an eye on this one. Now just a 10% chance of developing into anything, likely just a tropical wave, again, that will increase our moisture and our surf. So your hour-by-hour forecast this evening, temperatures staying mild near the coast in the upper 70s, breezy but not quite as windy. Vipercast as we head into your overnight hours, just a few spotty showers. And then Sunday, we look pretty good. A better chance of seeing some showers near the Treasure Coast. Now, take a look Monday morning. This is the wave staying just offshore enough that I don't think we're going to see a ton of rain, but we will have some scattered showers Monday into early Tuesday, and then we look to dry out a little bit. So rain, not a big issue for us as we head into the work week. Now, Tropical Storm Rafael, max winds at 50, moving to the west-northwest at 5, but in time it is going to take that turn to the south, and that will be good news. So we're going to see that tropical wave continuing to bring us rough ocean conditions, a little more moisture and clouds, warm and muggy with a few breezy showers. Rafael moving to the west-northwest, and here it comes, pushing to the south, weakening to a remnant low as we head into Monday. Here is your 7-day forecast. I think it's a pretty good one. Some changes coming Monday for Veterans Day. Scattered showers, humid, so warm Monday, Tuesday, but then we'll cool down as we head into the second half of the work week, and look at Friday, only 79 degrees. And here at home, it was a pretty nice Saturday, a little breezy out there from time to time. We saw some showers, but check out this sunrise this morning from Mike Greenwood. He took this across Lake Okeechobee. Really pretty. Thank you, Mike, for sending that in. Ed Mullen was out at the Art Fair at Juno Beach, and Tom Poitevin took this from Boynton Beach today, showing off those blue skies. Deborah Harsh took this right from the House of Refuge in Stewart. So very pretty to see those rocks in front of the ocean. And tomorrow, weather conditions should be relatively decent. However, our winds will be increasing, and with those beach breezes, once again, we could see some coastal showers moving on shore. So this is what we have, just some spotty little showers pushing along the coastline on the beach breeze. And again, tomorrow the winds actually will start to come down late tomorrow night into Monday, but around the lunch hour they will be elevated. Current temperatures right now upper 70s to low 80s. So warm for this time of year, a little bit cooler inland. Winds gusting at the lunch hour around 30 miles per hour. But fast forward to Monday, we're going to see those winds coming down to relatively calm conditions, about 10 to 15. So just a light breeze compared to tomorrow. And tomorrow into early Monday, surf is going to be dangerous. So if you're not a strong surfer, I would just stay on the sand. Don't even bother getting in the water. Now the wave heights come down a little bit as we head into late Monday and Tuesday, but by Wednesday they increase once again. So we do have those beach hazards in place for Sunday, a small craft advisory as well as rip currents likely. So please be careful if you're doing any water activities tomorrow. Vipercast model showing some rain moving in overnight across the Treasure Coast, but then we have a dry period, a little more rain around the lunch hour, and then by late Sunday into early Monday, we see the clouds increase because this is the tropical wave just off to our east, but it stays comfortably enough to our east that we're not going to see a huge uptick in moisture. We'll see a little more moisture as we head throughout the day on Monday, but by Tuesday, that's moving away from us, and there you can see it right there, a couple hundred miles to the east of the central Bahamas. Now, the other entity we're watching is Tropical Storm Rafael, and Rafael is weakening, and it's getting sheared in the northern Gulf of Mexico. It will be moving southward in time, right now moving to the northwest at 3, but soon it starts to move south and then weakens to a remnant low by Monday, heading towards Mexico. So back here at home tonight, 76 degrees, warm, breezy. Tomorrow, 84 degrees. And here is your 7-day forecast. We have a nice cool down coming on Wednesday, high temperature on Friday, just 79 degrees.